What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Skinny Pedal Motorsports. Sorry for the long delay. Just been caught up with looking for a truck and working on the car. As you can see, the car is a little, it still runs and drives. It's just, we gotta get those new wheels and tires. So we've been waiting. I got a full notch kit over on the wall right there so we can get those new wheels and tires. We gotta relocate the shocks. But today's video is about this thing. This is my brand new Ultimate Tow Rig. Got me a 2006 GMC 2500 HD Duramax. This has the LBZ in it, which is the most coveted Duramax. It's a 6.6 liter, super nice, well taken care of, full leather interior. I mean, it does have a tuner on it, super nice, fully loaded like I said. Camper top, got that Peepaw status. There's the old truck, she's getting sold. There's the old truck's wheels. Just a super nice rig. There's the motor, all stock. The only thing it's ever had on it is a tuner, which is over there in the window. It has a Edge CTS2. I run it on the economy tune until we can start towing. But yeah, she's pretty much all bone stock. 220,000 miles. Well taken care of, super nice truck, some decent wheels, but we got some new wheels for it that I will be putting on here in this video. But yeah, I just wanted to show you all my new tow rig. Super excited about this thing. I've already had it about 2 weeks, and it gets 20 miles to the gallon going down the highway. And this thing right here used to only get like, maybe like 17 or 18. And I know this thing is going to shine very well with that behind it. It'll get a lot better gas mileage, granted. Diesel is a little bit more expensive, but this is just an overall better truck for hauling and towing, because next year in 2022, it's gonna be a lot coming to this channel. A lot of drag racing, a lot of cross-country trips to, back to Rocky Mountain Race Week. We're going to Sick Week in February. Just a lot of racing next year, and I wanted to upgrade and get something bigger. As y'all know, I did have 20s on my old tow truck, or old tow rig, whatever you want to call it. Took those off, but we do have some new 20s for this truck, and there they are. We're gonna put those Denali 20s right there on this thing. It's gonna look so freaking good. We're gonna hop over to my buddy Justin's shop. He's gonna let me use his lift and swap out these tires, use these adapters, and yeah, we're just gonna hop over there right quick. Well, as you can see, the tires are still in the back of the truck, unfortunately. Lug nuts I had would not fit in these, so I had to buy some off Design. Got them here next day, but we are fixing to get these wheels actually put on. So yeah, we're just gonna do it here in the garage. My buddy's shop's closed on Sunday, but that ain't gonna stop us from getting the wheels on this thing. And she is tight in here. I mean, look how close that is. Also, she's close there too. So we definitely ain't parking this thing ever in the garage. So to get these wheels on here, I had to buy hub-centric adapters. These are 2-inch adapters. You have to use 2-inch adapters on here because the studs are quite long. If you use 1.5, you have to cut the nubs off. So I just went with 2-inch. They are hub-centric, that little ring right there. Yeah, these things are like 400 bucks. I bought these used on Facebook Marketplace for 100. And they get a little rust on them, but they'll work perfectly fine. But yeah, they go on here like this, and then they bolt to the 8x180 wheels. So you do have to torque these down. They are 140 pounds. Got my trusty handy dandy old torque wrench. Got her set to, well, that's 140 something. But that's what they got to, 140. So I'm gonna torque all these down real quick. Well, it's fully got the wheels and everything on it right there. We're gonna hop up to the gas station, and I'm gonna show you what this thing looks like real quick on the outside all the way around. Well, there she is. Got those Denali 20s on there. We put 2-inch spacers on the front and the rear. They are hub-centric, like I said, but yeah, those look so good. I've always had a truck with factory 20s on it, and had to continue to strand with my new truck. And this is the new tow rig. Super excited about it. I've driven it quite a good bit, like I said earlier. I got 20 something miles to the gallon going down the highway at 70. I'm ready to put the dang drag car behind it and get to towing across the country. Come see some of y'all, come see some events, just go out and drag race, have a good time. Man, is this thing freaking clean. I love this thing, man. I've always wanted one of these, and finally I was able to get one. Sold the old rig and picked up this new joint. Just look at it. Dang, she's fresh. One thing I am excited about this truck having is a camper top. I know everybody says these things are peepaw level, but let's look at all this covered room I got for turbos, freaking transmissions, whatever, seats, whatever I need to take care of. It's gonna help out clothes when we get drag week, carrying all our stuff across the country, and all this room, freaking peepaw status. But I really need a name for this thing too. I ain't really thought of one. Figure it needs a name. I don't want nothing cliche like Dirty Max or anything like that. I want something cool. So, you know, drop a comment down below and let me know what you think I should call this thing. Well, as you can see, all those tires are off. They're spread around here. Poor old girl over here is covered up. But we are getting back to that in the next video. Like I said, I got a frame notch kit. I am getting that put in, getting the shocks relocated, get those black 15s and the 18s in the front. Get this thing back going fast, and we're going to the track, I think, like middle of December, so that'll be coming up very quickly. And yeah, we're gonna get that dang on 10-second pass we was chasing a couple videos ago, you know. So, but yeah, man, this thing it pretty much is my dream truck. So glad to have it set up like I want. Last thing left is probably a 4-inch exhaust. We'll get that in another video. We'll tie it into a video about this thing. But if you've been watching for a while, you know the message. If you ain't on the break, better be on skinny pedal, son. We out of here.